Well, hello everybody on the YouTube. We are on another hike finally. It's been like a week, man. Little dude right there, he got sick a little bit. He still got a little bit of cough on him, but he's better, so we gonna come out here and do one. This is a South Fork Waterfall Trail down in Eagle River. Old Eagle River. Parking kind of hectic. Just park by the fence, you'll be all right. But we already started on this thing, man, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it, turn this thing around and let y'all watch.
Alright, there's two parts to this trail. We're gonna come up to a fork and we can either go right and go to the bottom of the falls first, or we can go left and go around to the top of the falls.
Who wants to see the top?
You, I don't know.
Yeah.
So we can do both, we can do one or the other.
Right now, I'm about to show all these people on YouTube this nice little river. I don't think we're gonna do no side trails today, lady.
Really?
Looky. Is that it?
Yeah, that's the trail we go that way.
To the bottom or the top?
I think that's the bottom.
Alright, YouTube, we back, baby. I turned it off so we could help that couple. They were going the wrong way on the trail, so I figure I'd just stop and help them for a second. Ow! So, oh, look, it's so beautiful. That's so beautiful.
I don't see him.
So there's actually two parts to this trail. One goes to the top of the waterfall, one goes to the bottom, like you heard my lady say. This is looking to be a little sketchy, but we get to walk along this cool little river. Can't argue with that. Can't argue with that. Hot dog. Oh, it is cool through there. I'm taking it slow so you guys can catch the views. I don't know how long this hike is, so normally it's a 5-6 mile. I try to bust them things. Still some ice left over. Oh, what? I gotta go the way of my girl. Be side trailing and stuff with me. I win. I win. I guess these are all from the winter time.
Yeah.
That crazy, just snap off, boy.
Look how much is still sitting there, man.
That's wild.
That's pretty.
It do be pretty.
Oh, the lichen growing up. That's
Lichen. Like a werewolf.
Oh, wow.
So we're looking up the hill, and there's just like down trees everywhere, man. And it goes all down the side of the thing. It's crazy, man. It looks so wild, man. It does look cool. That's pretty awesome right there, you two, man. I'm trying to tell you. Yee-hoo! Y'all check out the rock face. Check out that rock face, y'all. That's crazy, man. I guarantee you there's been some dredging up under there. I can see it already. So, in a lot of gold rich places, which we've done it, so I know how it comes. But yeah, I know you can't see it with this GoPro. But what they'll do is get right at the bottom of the face where it goes under, and they'll just start working their way in right along the edges of the banks to try to find the gold. It works, by the way. But I bet you that place, it's tapped out down there. It's a good thing about the gold that just comes back down. It'll get stuck right there. You can see it a little better. If you look down there at the bottom, you can see where people have been just dialing in. It's awesome. Wow. Wow. Yo, it's crazy. Good lordy. Good lordy. Let's go. We'll get you closer here in a minute. Let these people move out. Oh, you too, baby. What's up, man? Look at that one. Always climbing. What's up, man? So when we leave out of here, we're actually going to go to the top. Right there is the viewing area up there. I don't know if you can get a good shot of it or not. But how awesome is this trail, man? That's what's up. Alright, we'll be back in just a second, man. We're gonna look around, take a couple pictures. I'll be back too. You too, baby. Hey, you can't be mad at that over there. Yo, what's up, man? Well, we're gonna to answer your question, yeah, we're gonna hike around, and that's the viewing up there. There's a little viewing area so we can see this thing from the top, y'all. Let's go ahead and do this thing. What you think? High fives. Let's go. There's a monkey.
Don't hang by your feet. No, you do it.
You guys saw the trail coming in, so I'm gonna turn it off till we get back out there, and I'll turn it back on when we get to the bridge to hit the trail. Okay. I appreciate every single one of y'all for watching the video. Let me go ahead and get the shameless plug out of the way. Yo guys, if you like the content, be sure and subscribe. You know what I mean? Then again, even further, if you like it even more than that, man, share it out to one of your friends. You know what I mean? Make sure you hit the bell so you get the notifications when we're dropping new videos or putting new stuff out. You guys, I appreciate every one of y'all. We'll be back in just a minute. All right, y'all, we back on this trail over here. I think this is one of the cool things about Alaska I'm starting to love. You be on a trail and then you just get a big old mountain right in front of you. Hi. That dude that we were taking pictures with over there, they seem like pretty cool people. And shout out Miss Rochelle, new YouTube subscriber, long time TikTok follower. Woo! Appreciate you. Man, if we can just get a bear just to come out and be like, hey guys, that'd be awesome. Pretty cool. A bear comes out and says, hey guys, and you just say pretty cool? No, that would be fantastically amazing. Fantabulous.
I probably wouldn't be
Awesomely tubular.
I'd be at a loss for words.
I try to come up with a name that the kids say now, but it just doesn't work. My cool meter's broken. It must have got turned off this morning.
Or we could see a mama and baby moose.
Moosey! Well, like I said, speaking of moose, I was watching a moose video this morning.
I was about to say, what? Did you just see one?
No, it wasn't in the States. It was somewhere overseas, cause they wasn't speaking English. But this moose was standing in front of his car, like just looking at him. Oh, I can't help myself. But the moose was just standing in front of the car, just looking at the guy, and it started to walk. It started to turn. It started to turn and walk off. And whenever it did, the guy tried to move up. He tried to like pass it, and it swung back in the middle of the road, reared back on his hooves, and bam, took out the thing. It's a beautiful view, isn't it? I'm over here yapping. I ain't looking. That's what's up, man. My lady picking out the good stuff. He did. He just swung at that car. How y'all doing?
Good, man. Good.
Boy, I'm about to suplex you.
John Lizzie, don't let yourself get so mad at
He alright, man. Just remember, I'm not the only one that can body slam you. Huh?
Nope.
He blocking. That boy's straight blocking. He put his hands out like he the line leader out there. They looking at something. What they looking at? What they see? Ain't nothing down there. She got bad eyes. How y'all doing today? Good, good, thank you. I knew there wasn't nothing down there, man. Oh, she got him on the pass. She got him sleeping. She got him sleeping. How you feel about that, sir? Boy. Boy. He ain't talking to me. I can't believe it. That was uncalled for. That sunshine trying to peek out on us, y'all. Hey. How y'all doing? Hey, how's it going? Good. Good. Well, I'm trying to tell you, I'm a friendly guy. What can I say? You good, baby? She's strolling along, y'all. I'm trying to chill. I don't feel like I'm trying to walk too fast. I'm sorry.
It's them. They are trying to walk fast.
Yeah. Yeah, YouTube. I got a bad habit of taking off. I'll start getting it, man. I won't even think about it. I'll turn around and people gone. Where'd y'all go? I don't know. Yeah, it's YouTube. Couple weeks, my parents are gonna be here and my awesome sister. We're gonna, so there'll be a few videos with the fam. Be pretty cool. Give me that water. Give me that water. You see that, YouTube? He wouldn't even give me no water.
You got your own.
What? So, and I want yours.
You can't have it.
Come on, bro. Oh, Lord. Bugs already.
Yep.
Pretty much summer, so makes sense.
I'm gonna say this used to be a heavy mining operation.
Here.
Young trees, semi-flattened ground, cleared out, pretty heavy.
A couple random boulders.
You know. Yeah, these trees, hey, not that old, man. 40, 50 years maybe. I'm so excited. All right, you two, we coming up on it. We coming up on it. I'm just gonna do the walk up, man. I ain't even gonna take you off. I ain't even gonna talk to you more. I'm just gonna walk up. Do the thing, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, baby. baby, what's up?
Top of the mountain like that. Woo!
Boy, that thing nasty. How spectacular. Hold on, just because I want to, let me wipe you off for a second. Bro, what's up? That's awesome, man. Being able to see something like that up here in old Alaska. YouTube, I didn't have a camera on, but I just gapped Chelsea coming up that hill. I just dogged her. All right, I'll be right back. All right, there, YouTube. I'm sorry, man. Well, I forgot to turn the thing back on. Where's she at? There she go.
Hey, come up here.
Hang on, I'm coming. Oh, coolie. Wow. That's neat though. See where it goes. Let's see where it goes. Chelsea already made it over here. That tree fell right there. Meow. That's pretty cool. Oh well. Pretty neato. Yeah. Yeah, you really can't. Yeah, well, there's a trail that like goes straight down over there and across on top, but I don't know if we're gonna try to do all that, y'all. I don't want to get caught in nothing over there or something. Look in front of, I know it's hard to see through there, but see the mountain over there, see all mountains over there, baby. Let's go. Well, y'all, we gonna sit here and chill for a minute, and then we probably gonna head up out of here. That's the trail for today. But I'll turn it back on in just a minute after we figure out what we finna do, y'all. I appreciate y'all hanging out and getting on the trail with us, man. Let's go. All right, there, YouTube. That was it, man. This is probably one of the shortest hikes y'all are gonna watch all summer, or one of the shortest videos anyway. Like I said, when we get back up here to the parking lot, I'll show you what I was talking about with the parking. It's not bad, but just make sure you're in the right spot when you park. That way you ain't getting in no trouble. So we're gonna make it back down this way, man. You good? All right. I can't help it, lady. I see you stopped and looking at something. I think you got a flat tire or something. She got a flat tire? No, you know, no. Let me give y'all one more good look at the old waterfall, man. Because that thing's beautiful right there, man. How awesome. Let's go.
Now it's back to 10 men.
How you know? How you know we finna go back to 10 man? Look, your boy over there, he hoping we going back to 10 man. Y'all, them mosquitoes out like crazy. I'm trying to tell you. We got that one on Chelsea's hand. It look like a pterodactyl.
Scoop! Look. That's the money shot.
She got a money shot.
Ooh, look at that.
See that rock? Parkour, baby. Parkour. I don't know who was talking about parkour on my live the other night. I just did it. Yeah. Parkour. Parkour. Chelsea just hit the parkour. Nah, it's a good little trail for a Saturday afternoon.
Yeah.
Nothing too tough on you. I like it.
But not a little dinky walkie.
No dinky walks. we do not do dinky walks.
Well, we do occasionally.
Well, don't quit telling them that. We do hard walks every day. Like 10 miles a day. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You too, when I tell you, it don't matter the trail we're on, nothing. Them kids gonna race. They gonna go at it, get it. So, be prepared to see a lot of that. Which it works out for us because we ain't got to look at them. I'm kidding.
You say the weirdest stuff.
I'm just being honest.
Okay.
Better.
It ain't on the knee.
Where you get it?
Right here. Oh, my stomach.
That'd be alright.
It's where my underpants go.
What? Yo, what do you even say? Okay, yep. Oh, underpants go. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Man, it's a nice day though. It was a good day for it. Wasn't cold, but it's not hot either. So
Still cold. There's a sinkhole right there.
I don't know if that's a sinkhole there and somebody dug it out. Cause
a
there,
little bit more like Doug. Yeah.
yeah, cause there's a pile right there.
Cool.
The little thing flopping back there. Flopping. Cause I'm flopping like LeBron when I'm trying to get a foul. Man, I'll be surprised if anybody knows that lyric. Which today, I can't even say stuff like that because all you gotta do is go Google it. You Google anything, you'll be like, oh, I know the answer.
You know, you have to Google on it. Just verbally ask a question.
Man, that's true too. Uh-oh. I hear squabbling. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Or how about not use that pole to try to stop somebody? That's not what it's for. I just think it's funny. We was at the top of the hill over there, and he's like, well, I just get tired, you know, I've been a little sick, and now he won't stop running. Yep. Yeah, that's my boy. I see the mushrooms. It's quiet too. It is. It's really quiet. Almost too quiet.
But quiet enough you can hear the water.
Yeah, I can hear water. I kind of want to take that little trail back there.
I was thinking about
We can come back on another day for that. Well, guys, we done made it back here to the old Bridgie Bridge. I'm gonna leave it on until we get down here to make sure y'all get a nice view of the thing. But man, I appreciate you guys watching, tagging along with us on this trail. Y'all made it through it. High fives. Let's go. I'm very happy that we got it done on a Saturday, man. I think we were all feeling a little cooped up. I think we were all feeling a little cooped up with the boy being sick. You know, we ain't been doing anything, so man, it feels good to get out and go see some stuff. And hey, it feels good to bring y'all along too, man. What's up? Let's go. So let me get y'all this little river shot, and I'll turn it off, and we gonna boogie on out of here. And of course, got to get the other side. Got to get the other side. Woo-wee. Well, guys, we appreciate you coming with us, man. And like I said, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell for the alarm. Share it out to a friend. And we can't wait to see y'all on the next one, man. Y'all have a good one. All right, YouTube, I told you I was going to show you. So when you come down to the end, there's no parking all the way around where the gate is. No parking. So if you go up there along the fence line, y'all can see 10 men up there. Just park up to the side. Just don't park where their signs are. You'll be good. All right, then. We'll see y'all later.
These Alaskan days.